Hello, my name is Brennan and I am the McGraw-Hill rep for Riverside City College. The Spanish faculty and my team collaborated to come up with your course materials for the current semester in College Spanish 1 and 2. Today I will be briefing you on Connect and LearnSmart, where you will be going to access a portion of your assignments for the term. We'll talk about registration as well as some best practices for running the program. We'll talk about the specific resources that are available to you, your purchasing options, and technical support. For the smoothest experience using Connect, I recommend using one of these three web browsers: Firefox or Chrome. If you have a PC, if you have a Mac at home, Safari works fine. Please note that we ask that you refrain from using Internet Explorer when accessing Connect. Much like an application for your smartphone, Internet Explorer updates too rapidly for McGraw-Hill, and so it can create for a bit of an unuser-friendly experience. We also ask that you occasionally delete or clear the cookies in your web browsing history on your Internet browser. Like any other web-based application, Connect can get bogged down if too much space is being taken up by your web browser. I'm going to show you how to register here in just a moment. It is a good practice when you register for the very first time. There's a link at the bottom of the Connect home screen, and it says Troubleshooting. Now, nothing's gone wrong, but if you click that link, it is going to run a diagnostic on whatever computer device you are currently using to access Connect. This diagnostic is going to identify any programs that either need to be installed or updated on your device in order to run Connect most efficiently. So these are just a couple of quick things you can do prior to accessing any of the resources. Your required materials for this course are going to be Tu Mundo, it's first edition. Please note your instructors have set aside both a Volume 1 and a Volume 2 edition that contain the print text as well as the Connect access code in the Riverside City College bookstore. This bundle probably represents your best value option. However, there are other all-digital options which I'll get into here in just a moment. Also, please note that the image on the left of Tu Mundo and then the two Riverside College editions here on the right are actually the same text. These texts combined make up what you see here on the left. So if you purchase this version somewhere on the web, you're not necessarily guaranteed to have the Connect code bundled with it that is necessary for this course. Okay, registration in Connect is pretty straightforward. You're going to use BlackBoard to log in and locate Spanish 1 or 2 with your instructor. You will locate the folder that will contain your Connect assignments in BlackBoard. You'll then see a list of icons similar to these, so for the purposes of registration, just click on any one of those icons. You'll then be prompted to register with a welcome screen in Connect. Go ahead and click Continue. And next you will be asked to enter an email address. Please use your RCC student email when registering with Connect and click Submit. And then this is where you're going to have some options. I mentioned the bookstore earlier. If you required your materials in the RCC campus bookstore, you already have your Connect access code as well as your print text. Go ahead and redeem that access code by entering it here and clicking Submit. Maybe you are waiting for financial aid. Maybe you're waiting to see if your work schedule will pan out and allow you to continue to stay with the course. In the meantime, McGraw-Hill will provide you with 2 weeks of courtesy access to the program, including access to the e-text as well as your workbook and lab manual assignments. At the end of those 2 weeks, you will need to acquire a code either through the bookstore or through your third option of purchasing online direct from McGraw-Hill. This is an all-digital option. It costs $130, no tax and no markup, but it contains the e-text as well as your workbook and lab manual assignments. Everyone will create an account in Connect, first name, last name, security question, password, etc., and you're all set. McGraw-Hill designed a study tool. It was inspired with the same technology you may find either on Amazon or Netflix, where you, the user or the student in this case, have a relationship with the program. The way LearnSmart works is it is going to be asking you questions based on the grammar and the vocabulary per chapter you are reading that week. You'll note you have a question and you'll have an answer set. This one's fill in the blank. Some might be multiple choice or true false. However, LearnSmart is going to ask you to assign a cognitive value to that answer. All LearnSmart wants to know is how confident you are in your response, and is now going to be recirculating these questions in slightly different variations, so when you see it again, that information is moved from your short-term memory and into your long-term memory, where you can now recall it during stressful moments such as on an exam or a quiz. We've gotten a lot of great results using LearnSmart, and we hope you use it to prove and test your mastery. Thank you for your time. My final slide is on technical support. In the event you experience any issue with Connect, we've given you a couple of troubleshooting measures between the deleting of your web history, the internet browser, and the diagnostic. If you're still experiencing a problem, give our customer care team a call at 800-331-5094 and note their working hours. In the event the agent is not able to solve your problem on the spot, they will issue you a case number. Please make sure you write that case number down, because you will want to bring that to your instructor's attention, who will contact my team so we can get involved and come up with a solution for you. Thank you again for your time, and best of luck in Introductory Spanish.